Hi team, welcome back to the channel. Today we are discussing about union transformation, and first of all union transformation informatical level. We are discussing SQL database level, that is set operators. What is set operators? We all are aware of sets chapter in mathematics, right? um, in sets what we see, union all, intersect, these operators we will see. So same in database level, how to utilize those operators, union all, intersect, minus, how to utilize, how to leverage those set operators in SQL level and informatical level in real time scenarios. Let's see. I prepared one document on these DDL, DMLs and all, cricket related, players related. So for better understanding, so I will send you this document. In the description I will send you the drive link. You can practice these links. Yeah, see, first let's see 5 minutes of some theory here. In SQL, set operators are used to combine the results of two or more select queries, right? They perform operations on entire result sets, not on individual rows like joins. Row by row operations we will see in joins. We already saw in joins, but here set of rows vertically. Here set operators combine the data, combine the tables vertically, combine the data vertically. In joins what we saw, it adds data one table to another table, it adds data horizontally, but here vertically. I will show you the difference, no worries. Here mainly the major SQL set operators are four: union, union all, intersect and minus. Here minus nothing but except in some databases, like a SQL server. In SQL server we will see, like we will call as except SQL server, but in Oracle SQL we can use minus as operator. So here each operator serves a very specific purpose and works only when tables have these qualities, like same number of columns should have, right? The table should have same number of columns, same data types, data type order, compatible data types. If anyone asked in interview what are the limitations of set operators in SQL, you can simply tell same number of columns should have, the tables, whatever the tables you want to combine using set operators, you want to combine using set operators like union all, or intersect or minus. You want to perform set operations between tables. Those tables should be same number of columns. If same number of columns are there, any number of tables you can combine vertically. Same data type should be there, and compatible data types, compatible data type should be there. I will show you. Here what is union? Let's see. Union combines result sets from two queries but eliminate duplicates. Let's see how it is in database level. For suppose, see, I created some Indian players and Australian players list. In India, I will give you the DDL and DML, no worries. Data definition language and data manipulation language. These are players ID. So here for Indian players, I created only 3 records: Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, and Hardik Pandya. And Australia, I included Hardik Pandya in Australia also to filter out the duplicates in both the tables, just for filtering purpose only. I added Hardik Pandya into Australian players. So don't scold me if any Indian fans are there, Indian Hardik Pandya fans are there. Also, actually so many fans are there to Hardik Pandya, but don't scold me. Just for comparison purpose only, I included him in the table. Okay, see, it contains, see, this table giving one set of result, three records. This table giving 3 records, right? So if you want to combine these two result sets, first result set and second result set, just remove that semicolon and add union between them. That's it. If you use union like this, what it will give? 5 records. Why 5 records? first table gives first table contain 3 records, second table contain 3 records. Actually you have to get 6 records, but you got only 5 records. Why? Here see, Hardik Pandya is there, no, only one time it given, one time only given, because union does not give duplicates. It filter out the duplicates. It filter out the union, filter out the duplicate records. It gives unique records only. See, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Hardik Pandya, David Warner. That is the union operator. That's it, simple. That is the structure of union. That's it, 2 tables. So when will we use union? To get list of all players from India and Australia without duplicates. Without duplicates, how many players are there? In 2 teams total, how many players are there? So to get that, simply it filter out the duplicates and it gives the result. Now so what it will do, remove duplicates automatically, good for consolidation master lists. So but slower than union all. So slower than union all because it performs sorting and distinct. So it will sort and it will sort the data. So union sort the data and it also give distinct records. That's why it is taking more time than union all, right? So union all, no need to filter any on. Union all nothing but combined result sets including duplicates. It will duplicates also. That's why, what is the difference between union and union all? They will ask, no, in interview definitely they will ask. So what you have to tell, which is faster? You can answer easily. Union means simply it filter out the duplicates and gives the result set of the both the tables. And union all, what it will do, it includes duplicates also. What else? What is the other difference? That difference is which is faster, they will ask. Which is faster, union or union all, which is faster? Obviously we will tell what union all is. Union is the faster than union all. Why? Because it is giving 5 records and union all giving 6 records. To load the 6 records it will take time. So union all is the faster one between these two. Like that you will answer. But logically it is not correct. Union all means simply it will it doesn't do any sorting, it doesn't do any filtration of duplications and all. Simply it will give the combines both the records from both the tables, and it will give. There is no further actions. But in union, what it will do, it will sort the records and it filter out the duplicates. That's why it will take time. That's why it is slower than union all. Okay, that's the answer you have to tell. So simply let's see union all. Let's use union all. See, union is there already. Simply union all. Six records. See, Hardik Pandya, you got 2 times, right? See, it does not filter out the duplicates. Simple, very simple. And now intersect. What is intersect? Intersect. So let's fastest among all the set operators. Okay, union all. What is the specialty of union all among the set operators? Fastest among all the set operators. If an interview asks, no, what is the fastest operator in the set operators? Union all. No sorting, no distinct performed, it doesn't do anything, just simply combine and gives the result. That's it. Duplicates will appear, duplicate records will appear. That is the limitation. Intersect. What is intersect? Returns only common rows between both the tables. Intersection in sets, while we are learning maths in 8th, 9th, 10th basic level maths, no, at there we will see the intersection. Intersection nothing but common records from both the tables. Here, what is the common records from both the tables? So see here, find players appearing in both teams. That's why to show the intersection, importance of intersection, that's why I included Hardik Pandya. Find players appearing in both the teams. Which player involves in both the teams? That is Hardik Pandya. I involved in both the teams, right? So what it will do, helps identifying overlap in data sets. If any overlaps are there, different kinds of same set of records are there in both the tables, at that time just simply you can Intersect function, intersect command you will use, and you can find out the common records in both the tables, right? Limitations not available in MySQL. So remember, in MySQL intersection not available. Both queries must use nearest matching data types. So definitely data type should be match. So let's see how to use intersection. Intersect nothing but simply Hardik Pandya, only common records. And now what is that minus? Minus nothing but returns rows from first query that do not appears in the second query. What it means? Returns rows from first query that do not appear in the second query. First query. What are the records in first query? Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Hardik Pandya. So these records which are not present in second one, not the second records, Hardik Pandya. I will show you like this. I will prepare this. See, union all intersection, union what it did, 5 records, it joins, it gives both the records. Union all gives total records by giving Hardik Pandya 2 times. Intersect gives the common record from both the tables. Minus gives what minus will do, it gives all the records from the first table and second table which are not present in the second table. Which are not present in the second table means Virat Kohli is there? No. So it will give. Rohit Sharma is there? So it will give. Hardik Pandya is there? Yes, it is there. So Hardik Pandya, it will be removed. Minus from the first table. It will minus from the first table. So if Hardik Pandya is there, no, minus it will be cancelled, 0 and nullify, and Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma records you will get. That is the beauty of minus. What is the difference between intersect and minus? They will ask in my interview. They will ask once, not once, 2-3 times. They will ask. They asked at the time. I a little bit confused, but later after using multiple times, no, I got some clarity. So what is the difference between intersect and minus? Intersect nothing but common record from both the tables. Minus nothing but remove the common records from both the tables and gives the remaining records from first table only. First table only they will give. Okay, whatever it. For suppose here, see, intersect is there. If you use minus, minus perform Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma from first table only. First, suppose if you change the names, no, India plays in Australia, and in Australia place, if you change India, what it will give? It will give other records. See, it will give David Warner and Pat Cummins because it gives records from first table and remove the common record from both the tables. It gives first table records and remove the remove the common records from both the table. Remember, intersect minus. So that is the beauty of this one. So don't confuse between joins and union, joins and set operators, because joins adds vertically. For same tables, if I use inner join for India and Australia, inner join if I use, no, what it will do, inner join will give common records. So inner join will give common records, and see horizontally it gives horizontally. See, horizontally. For intersect, if you same performed, for intersect if you same perform, no, what it will give, how many rows? 4 rows, 4 columns only if you perform intersect. But here how many columns? 5 rows, one added. So horizontally it will add the records, right? If you use left join also, it will give all the records from the left table. What is that? Indian, for suppose Indian players, Hardik Pandya, Virat Kohli, and remaining nulls, Australia salaries only I taken, so that's why salaries from Australia players, and then player name from Australia I took and left join. What are the total records from the Indian players and common records from both the tables? Who is the common record? Hardik Pandya is the common record, right? That's why it give. And salary for India, salary from Australia he is getting. So for but our salary from Australia, Virat Kohli not getting, Rohit Sharma not getting. That's why it given as null, right? Same like that. If you perform a right join, it gives all the records and also include Hardik Pandya, because Hardik Pandya is also there in second table also. So see Hardik Pandya and player ID, player name, Indian player, Pat Cummins and David Warner not present in Indian player list. That's why they assigned as null. And Indian role, Indian team there is no role, but in Australia team they have roles, bowler and batsman. So that is the so if you so horizontally see, horizontally it is adding one by one, column by column, column by column it will adding like this. First column, second column, third column. If any other columns if you add, no, column by column it will add the records. That is the beauty of joins, right? For suppose if you want self join also like this, cross join. Just practice. I will give you this the queries and all, no worries. Just practice and just try to understand instead of listening. If you practice, no, implement, then you will get some. So let's see. For suppose anti join. What is anti join? At that time I missed this anti join. Anti join nothing but not exists, which is not exists. For suppose select star from Indian players alias I where not exist in Australia players. Who are not exist in Australia players? Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma not exist. So not exists. So those players it will give. Means Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma player it will give, because these two players only not exists in Australia and Australia. In Indian players, Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Hardik Pandya, three players are there. So here select star from Indian players. That is where not exists in Australian players list. So like this you can check records with between two tables. That is not exist means minus, right? Not exist means minus. For suppose if you give exists, where exists, select star from Indian players, where exists, select one. It is the one just for identification. This is the beauty of SQL. Whenever you use exist like this, you can simply notation one. Select one from Australian players A, where A player is equal to Australian players is equal to Indian player. So here this exists acts as a minus. Sorry, intersection. It is intersection. The above one is minus. Anti join acts as a minus. Semi join acts as a intersection. So it will give Hardik Pandya, because that is Hardik Pandya only exists in both the tables. If you want to filter out, compare two tables in real time scenario, so many times I faced. So my manager asked so many times, is there any records exist in both the tables like that? So what to do at that time? What I did know, simply I will copy the total records in Excel sheet, both the tables, and compare with the duplication like that. So at the time, initial of my career beginning, but now after gaining good knowledge in SQL and all, simply I am using this queries like select star from Indian players I saw for table 1 alias I where exists in this table. So it will give common records from both the tables, right? Where not exist in the second table, the records which are not exist in the second table, like this is minus, anti join minus, this is self join. So this is self. So I want to just show the difference between join and union all only. So join adds columns horizontally, adds records horizontally. Union and set operators add records vertically. Just what is they will ask in interview, what is the difference between set operators and joins? What is different? Joins adds records horizontally and union operators adds records vertically. And I also told about the conditions, right? for join just only one matching column is enough to join. Definitely a limitation is there, one matching column should be there, but union, that number of matching columns should be there, and data type should be match. So these two conditions don't forget. Now let's see how to implement this in Informatica. In Informatica, let's see the theory, some theory from Informatica. Union transformation, yeah. So like little bit introduction, union transformation. What will union transformation will do? It filter out duplicate. So in this session, what we will discuss about union transformation, duplicate removal techniques, how to remove, how to utilize rank transformation, right? 1 second. Yeah, here I am explaining by real-time business use case, some cricket-based examples, so some limitations also, entry questions also. So best practices like the union transformation in Informatica is active transformation and connected transformation. Use it to merge multiple pipelines into one, and behaves exactly the SQL union all. Means SQL union all means, remember this point, what is the set operators in SQL database side and what is the difference between Informatica. That is union all only. Union all nothing but it does not filters the duplicates. If you use union transformation in Informatica, it does not filters duplicates. It is used when different source systems apply the same structures of data. Different any type of source you take, heterogeneous sources or homogeneous sources, whatever the sources, but the structure is same, no, same structure of data, it will combine all the data. I will show you relational tables and flat files how to combine. Okay, here what is the key properties of union transformation? Multiple input groups allowed, only one output group. So multiple input groups allowed, but only one output group allowed. So all input ports must match exactly name, data type, precision, order. Union transformation does not remove duplicates. I already told union transformation does not sort the data, and union transformation does not filter the data. So it is only to combine the data. Limitations. No, here what are the limitations? No data cleansing possible inside union. Port structure must be identical. All the port structures should be identical. And real-time use cases, I took Indian players from India, players from Australia, some stats flat file I take. So I here in this project combining all players into a single dimension table. Yeah, here two tables or three tables are there. I created Indian players, Australian players, England players, and one all players, not all players. One table flat file I created. Others, other players I created. Yeah. So this is a business requirement, and this is a business logic. What is the business logic? Like we have to combine all the Indian players, Australia players, England players, and remaining players into all players dimension table. And top players like top five salary players like that, not country, like top players by salary. Yeah, I'm creating the table. See, the target table. The DDML I will give. Sorry, DDL I will give. No worries. Okay. Select start from all players installed in no data. Select start from top players dim. No data. So let's load all the records. Uh, so this DML Australia players, Indian players, and England players also I will give. How many players are there? Three players are there. Okay. Australia players. What? Oh, it's truncated. Okay, sir. No records are there. Let's put some records. Yeah. Let's check. Yeah. First of all, let's go to designer. Drag the sources. Source analyzer. Go to source analyzer. Click on the sources. Import from database. Password is admin. Connected tables. What is this? Um, England player, Indian player. Where is Australia? Here, Australia. Okay. Yeah, three countries. That's it. And also drag one source. Click on all files and other players. Other players. Yeah, this one, other players. Here, import field names from the first line. Next. And comma separated. This is CSV file. No worries. Next. Check all the, okay, four columns. Finish. Here, data types. So length, change the length accordingly. Here 50, 100, 50, 15 is there, no? String, no problem, 15. This is give 15. String 100, 50, 15. Okay. Data type expression should be same. Okay, now let's go to target designer. Source analyzer completed, target designer. Uh, import from database. Admin. Password. What are the database tables? All players dim and top players. Yeah, top players dim, these two tables. Previously one table is there. What is that? Player analytic, that is different. Okay, clear. Go to edit. Clear. Yeah. Okay, let's go to mapping. Transformation developer, applet design. Yeah. Here, click on the mapping. And what is the mapping name? M underscore. Sorry. mapping name, and top salary. So now let's Indian players, England players, Australian players. Okay. Again, flat file, other players. Okay. And what are the targets? All team players and top players. That's it. Now close this one. Arrange these items. Yeah, simply. Yeah. Now Indian players. So here to combine these records, what you will do? Just simply union transformation. Where is the union transformation? It's in ordinary joiner. So you have to take union transformation. This is union transformation. Sorry, control transaction. Oh, sorry, this is union transformation. Okay. Yeah. Now here, what you will do? First, how to implement union? First, drag one table columns. Later, in union, whenever you drag like this, no, it will create input group and one new group, output group. See, on output group it will create automatically. So now double click on this. On output group, one new group it created. So which means for these, it should be same for all the remaining tables, 4 columns. So now go to groups. Go to groups. No, here you have to create 4 groups. India, one more. Click on that. What is that? Australia. 2 more groups. England. Other countries. Others. So apply. It will automatically create groups. So now here you can simply connect England. Select all to, where is England? Okay, here England and Australia. Select all. Click on Australia. Okay, and other players. Select all. That's it. Like this, you have to use union transformation. So union transformation, one input group and multiple output. Sorry, multiple input groups. Multiple input groups, right? Here, multiple output groups. See, sorry, multiple input groups, but single output group. See here, it is not enabled. Here only one output group, multiple input groups. That's why union transformation is an active transformation. So active transformation is nothing but if ports also change, that's multiple inputs and single output. In case of router, single input group, multiple output groups, right? That is also active transformation, and union also active transformation. Why active transformation? It is multiple input groups and single output group. That's why it is also an active transformation. So they will ask. Simply you can answer it like this. So now, so here you will get, so union acts as an union all set operator. Union all is nothing but it does not filter duplicates. It will give duplicates also. So here you have to arrange this data in a ascending order, descending order, and also you can filter out duplicates. So that's why you have to use sorted transformation, right? Sorted transformation. Just go to sorted transformation and click select all. Sorry, simply drag it and double click. Here, how to filter out duplicates using distinct, and again come here, ports, not as everything, not required keyboard, just okay, it automatically taking distinct means it automatically taking all the ports. Okay, no problem. Okay, now let's go to rank transformation. Rank transformation, you can just simply send the records. All players, this is all players. Simply you can send the records, no problem. It will filter out the duplicates. And to get top 5 records, salary records, simply just go to rank transformation. Here rank, this is the rank transformation. So click on, drag it, and again select all like this. Here double click on the rank, and here player id, not player id, rank by salary. That's it, rank by salary. And properties, top 5. It will give like this, top 5, sorry, it will send top 5 records. Simply select all. Okay, here also two catches is there. One is index catchy, one is data catchy. Index catchy means salary you in what column, on what column you are indexing. Salary column, right? Salary column related data will be stored in index catchy, and remaining columns data will be stored in data catchy, right? So that's why two types of catches are there in rank. And how many ports? Input port, output port, variable port, and rank port, and group by port also there. So now group by port we are not using. Now like this you have to complete the mapping. So simply just control S. Yeah, it's a valid mapping, right? Mapping is valid. Let's go to workflow manager. Click on the workflow manager. Here go to tasks, create task, and S underscore paste the mapping name. Sorry, what is the mapping name? Go to mappings, edit mapping, copy it, and go to workflow manager again. Control all, S underscore mapping. Again, copy it. What is that mapping name? Top salaries. Okay, done. Remove this one. Go to edits, clear from the workspace. Okay, now go to workflow designer, and here workflows, create wf underscore. Okay, now go to sessions, top salaries, link task, and here you have to change few things. Mapping, go to mapping and click on the task developer. So session task. So here one source is there, other players. This thing you have to give, right? Other players dot CSV. CSV. Other players dot CSV. Sorry. Complete name you have to give other players dot CSV. That is the file name, complete file name. And no need to change any other things. Simply that's it. And go to apply and go to players. Here you have to select TGT, normal, TGT, normal. That's it. Nothing to do anything. Simply okay. Control S. It's a valid mapping. Okay. Let's go to workflow designer and execute the workflow. Succeeded. Let's see. Records loaded or not? Yeah, records loaded. So top 5 records loaded. Source call 3 record, three records, 3 records, and Australia players no records loaded. Why no records loaded? I will tell you because here with inserted, see here truncate and inserted records, but we didn't commit it. So that's why we didn't commit it. That's why Australia records not loaded. So let's see. 9 records only. Actually total in 4 tables 12 records should be loaded, but only here top 5 records it loaded. Let's rerun it. Let's rerun it and truncate and load. Just truncate and load. Control S. Restart. Yeah. Now see. Australia players 3 records, England players 3 records, India players 3 records, and other players 3 records, and top 5 records. Total 10 records loaded. Filter out the duplicate records. Right? It filtered out the duplicate records because in Australia players, Hardik Pandya is there. In England players, some duplication is there. So total 4 tables, 12 records should be there, but 2 duplicates are there. So it filtered out the duplicates. See. Red Kohli, Rohit Sharma, Hardik Pandya, David Warner, Pat Cummins, Josh Butler, Ben Stokes, Trent Paul, Rashid Khan. So like this, it arranges and also give top 5 records. Red Kohli, 25 lakhs, Rashid Khan at 24 lakhs, Rohit Sharma 23 lakhs, Pat Cummins 22 lakhs, and stocks like this. Salary also arranged in a top 5 records, right? So in this way, you can complete the union transformation, order transformation, rank transformation. So one more thing I want to highlight, like what is rank and dense rank. Rank and dense rank, nothing but rank, nothing but it gives if you use it gives it will skips the numbering, like for suppose. Okay, so let's see, insert same record for suppose, insert one record, insert some Virat Kohli record. I think some primary key is there. Table no does not exist. Sorry. Insert Virat Kohli record. Row inserted. So let's see how it will arrange record ranking. See here, I will show you the difference of at a time. See, for Virat Kohli, what it did. So 25 lakhs salary, 25 lakhs salary, arranged highest salary. So it assigned 1 and 1, but does not give 2 to Rashid Khan because it skips the numbering. Means rank gives the ranking according to the row number. See, 1, 2, 3, third row. That's why it gives third record, rank 3. But dense rank does not like that. It gives chronology, like 1 1. It does not skip the numbering. Dense rank does not skip the rank numbering. So rank based on row number, rank row. Remember like that. What is the difference between rank and dense rank? They will ask. Rank does not, the rank will skip the numbering. It gives the ranking based on row number. Which row it is. The record is lies in which row. Like that it will give. So recipient record is at row number 3. That's where third ranking it will given. So it skips the numbering, but dense rank does not skips the numbering. That's it, simple. Dense rank does not skips the numbering. So a 1 1 2 2 3 3, like the same records are there, same numbering it will give, but rank will skips the numbering and skips the numbering and gives the actual row number of the record. Like that it will give. So that is the uh, use case of rank and dense rank. In this, like this you can utilize. Okay, uh, these queries I will give. One one two two three three. I think happened. Okay. Six more records inserted because of this query. Okay. Just inserted some records into the top list by using ranking and dense ranking. Okay. Let's see in the next session. Just practice. I will give you the documents. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.